Once upon a time, in the sunny savanna of Africa, there was a little impala named Ian. Ian loved to run and play with his friends in the tall grass. But there was something that scared him, the big, deep river that flowed through the savanna. Every day, Ian watched his friends leap and splash in the river, but he was too afraid to join them.
I can't swim.
Ian would say, hanging back on the shore while his friends had fun. One day, Ian's friend Little Impala noticed how sad he looked.
Why don't you come play with us in the river, Ian?
I'm scared. I don't know how to swim.
Don't worry,
Izzy said with a smile.
I'll teach you.
With Izzy's encouragement, Ian took a deep breath and stepped into the shallow water. Holding on to Izzy's hoof, he slowly waded in. At first, Ian felt a little nervous, but Izzy showed him how to kick his legs and paddle with his hooves. Soon, Ian was floating and splashing just like his friends. With each splash and giggle, Ian's fear melted away. He realized that the river wasn't so scary after all, it was actually a lot of fun. From that day on, Ian knew that even when something seems scary, it's okay to ask for help. With a little courage and a good friend by your side, you can do anything. And so, Ian and his friends played in the river every day, laughing and splashing until the sun went down. And Ian learned that sometimes, the best adventures begin when you face your fears with a smile.
Want more ABC fun with Lulu Kids channel? Hit subscribe to keep the adventure going.